Hello everyone. Today we are practicing Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. It is a sequence of 12 postures that are supposed to be done on the right side and then on the left side. Let us practice together. Let's start the practice. 1. Breathe in. Breathe out. Pranamasana. 2. Breathe in. Hastottanasana. 3. Breathe out, Padhastasana. 4. Breathe in, right leg back because we are doing it on the right side. Ashwa Sanchalan. 5. This is correct, Dandasana, or this is also correct, Adhomukh Shwanasana. Push the tail high, engage the thigh muscles. Relax your shoulders. 6. Toes, knees, chest and chin. Ashtang Namaskar. Breathe out. 7. Breathe in. Bhujangasana. Push the chest forward. Look up. Bend the elbows close to your body. 8. Breathe out. Adhomukh Shwanasana. Tail high. Shoulders relaxed. Thigh muscles engaged. 9. Breathe in. Ashwa Sanchalan. Bring the right leg forward. 10. Breathe out. Padhastasana. 11. Breathe in. Hastottanasana. 12. Breathe out. Pranamasana. Here we complete on the right side 12 postures on the right side. Now we will complete 12 postures on the left side. Same way. 1. Pranamasana. 2. Breathe in. Hastottanasana. 3. Breathe out. Padhastasana. 4. Breathe in. Ashwa Sanchalan. Now we will take left leg back. 5. Breathe out. Adhomukh Shwanasana. 6. Toes, knees, chest and chin. Ashtang Namaskar. Breathe out. 7. Bhujangasana. Breathe in. 8. Breathe out. Adhomukh Shwanasana. 9. Breathe in. Ashwa Sanchalan. Now we will bring the left leg to the front. 10. Padhastasana. 11. Hastottanasana. Breathe in. And 12. Breathe out. Pranamasana. So now we've completed 24 steps. 12 on the right side, 12 on the left side. This completes one round of Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar. Once you complete the practice, that is 12 postures on the right side and 12 postures on the left side, it completes one round of Surya Namaskar. That is, Hatha Yoga Surya Namaskar has 24 steps in total. You must practice it yourself in order to develop a deeper understanding of this sequence.